everyone, welcome back to Zai Vlog. Today we're on our way to Tobermory and we decided to make a little stop at a beautiful place along the way. Yes, we are at Inglis Falls. Inglis Falls is one of the natural attractions in the Owen Sound area. As you walk across the bridge, look to your left and you can see old mill standing beside the river. It's a really nice little piece of history that adds to the future of this place. And this is our first good view at Inglis Falls. The water is going down over the rocks, creating this beautiful natural waterfall. And you're actually standing right at the top of Inglis Falls. From here, you can already hear the rushing water and get your first glimpse of the falls below. There's a map here that shows the trails and the different areas around Inglis Falls. So we're going to take a quick look at the map and figure out where we need to go. We're gonna look at the map. There is one way and a two-way. There's two ways. And I don't know which way we're going, but let's look at the map. So guys, we are here. Once we finish checking the map, walk towards the stairs opposite the parking lot. You have to bring your own drinking water because there's no drinking water, but there is a washroom. Right. So when you come here, I want to tell you something else. The waterfall is huge. There's a small one there, and that's the waterfall I'm gonna show you. Just come and follow me, and let me show you the view from there. Let's go, guys. We're almost there at the falls. I'm excited to see the falls. Let's go. We're gonna go downstairs and let's go. The river drops about 18 meters over the Niagara escarpment, creating this beautiful waterfall. The waterfall has a horseshoe-like shape and flows through a dramatic rocky gorge. Guys, looking at this view and the falls, it's like so fun and relaxing and so calming. Like there's no voice but just the falls. It's like so relaxing. You should come here. This falls is a good view. One of the best things about Inglis Falls is that you don't see the waterfall from just one angle. You can enjoy 4 different views of the falls. So you should take a little time to explore all views. The different angles are what make this place so beautiful. Guys, there's a small trail. Let's follow it. a better view? We'll go down the stairs. This place it's a little cold when it's even summer, and it's so dark. Let's see the falls because the falls look good from this view. If you have a baby brother or a baby sister, you have to be careful because there's no fence around here, and your baby sister or baby brother might fall down, so you should be careful with them. And let's explore this place, guys. This place is awesome right now. Guys, you might fall down in there, so you should be careful when you come here and see this gorgeous view. And there is so many dangerous places, especially big rocks and the deep holes beside the rock. So you should be careful. Like when you walk, you might not see that, but you should be careful for that. So you should watch out for your baby sister or baby brother. Guys, this is my baby sister, and her name is Naila. She is trying to climb up a big rock, and you have to watch your baby sisters and baby brothers when you go here, especially when they go to the waterfall. Oh my God! I got to explore this beautiful place with my baby sister, and honestly, these are the moments I'll always remember. We explored, walking together, and spent some quality time in nature. Also, if you have time, don't leave immediately after seeing the falls. The conservation area has a trail network, and the nearby Inglis Falls Arboretum adds another nature experience. Guys, it is so hard to get my baby sister upstairs. Guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to my video right now. Until my next adventure, keep exploring and keep smiling. Bye-bye.